Hello everyone! Welcome to our vlog! For today's video, I decided to clean our comfort room. But before that, I will introduce myself to all of you. By the way, I'm Archie, a plain housewife, pero wala kaming anak. Nakunan kasi ako last February. Alam niyo guys, shy type ako. Nahihiya ako mag voice over kasi feeling ko ang pangit ng boses ko, pero gusto ko i-try. Ito na guys, maglilinis na nga tayo. Story time tayo guys while cleaning. Meron akong German husband. Of course, if German, from Germany. And we live here in our country, in the Philippines. Mas gusto kasi niya dito kami tumira. And for me also, okay lang. Gusto ko din dito. Kasi, para hindi ako mag-a-adjust sa country nila. Alam nyo guys, first time kong mag-voice over. But, of course, I just want to try. Napapangitan kasi ako ng boses ko, kaya ayoko. Pero dahil curious ako, nag-try ako. Ito na nga, nakakahiya pala talaga. Nakakahiya pala talaga mag-voice over. Pero okay lang, at least I still try. Ayun guys, need natin maglinis ng CR for today's video. Kasi, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na malinis ang bahay nyo. Diba guys? You know what guys? Ang hirap pala talaga. I clean our CR once a week. How about you guys? Naglilinis din ba kayo ng CR nyo everyday or once a week lang? Ang saya-saya talaga mag-voice over guys. It's my first time. Unexplainable feeling. Ako kasi araw-araw, iba-iba ginagawa ko. Like, pag nag-map ng sahig. Pero pag nagluluto, araw-araw talaga yun. Because I like cooking. Syempre, di kasi ako mahilig magbili ng lutong ulam sa labas. And I also want that I will cook with my own food. Like, iba kasi sa pakiramdam na ikaw yung nagluluto. Kaya, kayo guys, ganun din ba kayo? I want to try, you know what guys, gusto ko talaga na healthy yung pagkain namin sa araw-araw. Like, iba kasi talaga na ikaw yung nagluluto. By the way guys, thank you for watching my vlog. And
What's up, kid?
I highly appreciated talaga guys your time on watching my vlog. Ayun, I'm done cleaning. Tada! This is the finished product after I clean. Thank you for watching guys. I highly appreciate it. God bless you all, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for borrowing your time and for watching.